Hi, my name is Steve from DDSWeb and welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you how to model an easy USB key. Now this tutorial belongs to the basic tutorial section, so it will be like just two parts and very easy to do so. And we will start from scratch. We will not use a reference this time, which is unusual by me, but anyway. So I will model a USB key which I holding in my hand. It's very common. It's very nice. I like this design and it's very useful one. So we'll start with the main body, and for that we'll use a box. So I will draw here somewhere a box. I'll change this to shade. I don't need realistic. And I will also model in basic unit setup, which have max. So I will not change to real units like centimeters or inches. So I will just call this like the USB. And okay, the length, it's reverse, so we're searching for this. Now let's keep this like 80. And this one might be a little bit higher, like 35. And I don't know. So now I will just turn this up to match the proportion which I have in my hands. And actually I think this should be enough. But anyway, we can change this during the process of modeling. So I will put here a color, press F4 to see the edges and convert to poly. Okay, now I will start from the back part, which will be here, and I will make this a little bit more round. So what I do is just I select the edges here, and I will use probably a double chamfer for this. A relative big one, and make just something like this. Maybe a triple chamfer, why not? No, 2 is enough. Okay, so we just want to make this back part round, and also we want all the edges to be a little bit more smooth like they are now, like they are too hard. So we'll also chamfer the edges. So I'll select the top and bottom poly, hold on Control and Edge, and we'll make here a nice chamfer, and the same we will do here. So select this and this edge, loop them, and we can use actually the same value like on the side. So this is actually the rough shape. As you can see, very easy to do, very quick. Actually didn't did anything hard, but I think I will go one step back here and chamfer this a little bit more. So like this and like this to make the edges more harder here at the bending. Now the overall shape is very easy. So I don't know. You don't have to do much more things. Maybe we can put here a little bit depth to the sides if you want. So select these edges here and ring all of them. Now we'll connect them, let's say just once. And now when I'm looking to the USB key, there's depth everywhere instead of the front. So let's go to the left view. No, maybe not to the left view. The top view will be enough. Hold on Alt and deselect it like this. So we'll lose also this one here, but we'll select it. And now we will use the scale tool and that direction maybe. Let's go to local. No, it's forced. Let's try gimbal. Okay. Alright, it's doing too much. Okay, so I will do something like this. To put there a little bit depth to the sides. Yep. And also from this view I will like fix this a little bit. To make a shape something like this. No, sorry for that. No, as you can see so far, very easy, like nothing hard. And if we now run some modifier on this, like Turbo Smooth, the top don't look at the top so far. As you can see, at the back, we have a smooth result. Yeah, but we need to fix there something. We'll set this. Okay, one more time. Okay, now it's better. Okay, so at the back we have a smooth result, which is going like a little bit this way and also to the sides. Also here it's going like not absolutely straight, but in some way. So as you can see, it's very easy to do shape like this, just in few steps, using not so much polys. But during the section of the top poly, we did something like this. As you can see, the edges are crossing, which we need to fix. Actually, can just move them in this axis and keep it like this, or we can collapse them. It's up to you. We also could select both of them at once, like the top and the bottom. But oops, forgot about that. So let's go to bottom and we'll do the same. So we'll just put them from each other, because when they are near together, they can cause trouble. So. Okay, so far very easy, of course. Okay, now here, let's go a little bit up with the key. Oh, we are backwards. Okay, now here at the front should be the hole for the USB itself. So we'll do the USB hole and then the USB plug separately. And for this we'll use I will tell how surface modeling maybe, or maybe some kind of. So I will select both these polys and insert them, and like this I will make here some place where should be the USB plug. So I will check the reference. Now maybe this and this should be a little, oops, also with this one, of course, a little bit here. So like this. Now, selecting the poly here, I will just extrude back. Like this, and after here should go the USB plugs. But we will have here some kind of problems a little bit. Now I will explain, or I will show in a while which kind, what it will cause. But first of all, let's apply here the Turbo modifier back. I don't know even why I delete that. Now, as you can see, now we have a round hole here, but we want a square now. Then how to achieve that? There is more than one way, of course. There is never just one way, but we'll use one way for that. And the way is very easy. I will select these edges here all around. And using connect, double connect. I think I didn't select everything here. Yeah, this one is missing. So again, connect. Now it's fine. I will select 2 and move this to the corner here. Just let's go by 90. No, too less. 93 should be enough. Okay, maybe 95. Now, and the same process I need to do from the other side. So, like here, I need to do disconnect also from this side here. So I just need to find the right edges which I want to connect. Okay, let's go like this. Select this first, a little bit deeper. Yep. We'll disconnect just once this time and we'll move it up. And also from this here. But just try to select like the right bodies here. Because if not, you can connect some. Oh, the connect should not work. Oh, what I'm doing. Okay, let's go from this view. Yes, we want to select this here, but we don't need to select the back. Oops. I hit it. Yeah, now it's fine. Okay, now when we apply True Smooth, now the hole here is square. It's the thing which we wanted to achieve. Now it was very easy to achieve, like it was just making only connects. Now loop this, and we will also chamfer this one. And probably it would be nice to chamfer also the bottom, but it will not allow me to select everything, so we'll select it manually, because yeah, manually, and sometimes we will just hit loop, and again we will make a chamfer, not high, just small one, and here we go. So we have the hole, the square hole for our USB plug. Very fast done, it's really just the connections there. And you can even tune this a little bit. Let's go and select vertex and oh no, I'm searching for some option which I'm sure I will not find here. Oops. Okay, never mind. We'll move this a little bit. Like in this axis it's anyway flat, and we can move it like this and this here. The appearance will change after a little bit of the subdividing, so it can make a better result, worse result, depends. It's never like, or sometimes it's like you try and you fail. No, I think no, it's a little bit better. Yeah. So okay, we have the main body for the USB, and now let's do something else here. Yeah, we will do the top. We will not do the plug. We will do the plug later. We'll do the top on this, and when we are here, we can put here more edges. Like this. After when we apply True Smooth, it looks much better. So it's the only reason why I did that. Okay, we will do the top. Now the top is some piece of metal, curved and connected somewhere here in the middle, with a bolt on which axis it is rotating. So we'll make the piece of metal. I can turn this off. Now the metal is almost the same white like the USB here. So let's go to top view, and I will draw here a box, but before I'll check this one here. And I don't know, probably something like this. Yeah, this should be fine. Okay, just thinking about if it's fine or not. I guess it is. Yeah, it is. So okay, now if it rotates, it should close the shape. Or better, when it rotates back, it should be somewhere in the center of this. So let's guess here, but it should be longer a little bit. Oh, let's go with 80. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, I'll make this like this. Like this fat. Yeah, and from this shape I will start, so I'll call this USB metal part, because it will be metal, something like chrome or silver, some kind of these materials, and convert this to poly. Now, when I'm looking to the reference picture, from this side, this is actually the same like here, so it's curved. So I will make here the curving. And also from this side, it's curved, but like this way. Yeah, so we have shaped something like this. Now, now. Select all polys in this direction. And using inset, we'll make something like this. And this should be the thickness of the of our metal part. Should be enough. Delete that, and now we're using a very quick and very nice technique. We'll select so far just these two edges, or 4 edges, and bridge them. And it's not working. Okay, one more time. This and this one, bridge. Now select this. This is not bridging too. Very strange. Yeah, I know why. Select name. Select the border of this. Deselect the top and the bottom edge, which was here, and now use bridge, and it's bridged. Cool. And here, because here at the top, we could use bridge like once, two, and here will be okay. So we'll bridge also here something like this, but here we need to use anyway cap. So same here. Actually, from the top we don't have. Okay, I will delete this. I will not keep them. Actually, this one too for that. And after I will see maybe I will need them or not. So just select on backspace and we will delete the polys. Okay, so we have here this simple shape, and on this anyway we need to apply again Turbo Smooth, but it's horrible. Now it's very strange how the shape is doing whatever. So again we need to adjust the shape a little bit. So first of all, I will suggest chamfer the edges, every single one, or better select them like this and we'll loop them. this we need to select manually. From the top view, should be able to select all of them, the bottom and the top at once. Okay, now where is a small chamfer? This is too high chamfer. Chamfer like this should be enough. Now, before I try it again, I will select these and connect 5 times. Yes, and we'll see now. So now it's much better. Of course, the shape is like it should be, of course. Now, the last thing which we can do is let's go from the top view. Select all 4 bodies all around, and we will insert this shape like this. Now I have to check my reference picture. Yeah, this should be fine. Okay, so we have here this metal part which should go here, and it's connected with the metal bolt. Now the metal bolt is going through a hole somewhere here. Like here it should be. Okay, so let's do that. I'll change the color because I don't see anything. Now I need to do here around opening for the bolt, so I will do a shape merge. I will go here, check the circle, check your grid, and from the top view I will just draw here a ring. Maybe like this. Now a little bit move that. Okay. Okay, cool. Now select our shape. Let's go here, compound objects, shape merge, pick a shape, select the shape, convert back to poly, select the shape, delete that, select our main shape. Let's go vertex and press weld. Now we'll apply maybe a little bit higher value of weld to quickly delete some vertex which we really don't need here, and the rest we can delete very fast just manually because they are too near together first of all. So we'll try to like have your shape on which all vertices are in the same distance. I know it's not possible every time. Okay, let's go like this. And like this. Okay, it's already done. We will delete the vertex which we don't need, absolutely. So now selecting the new shape, I will delete that. Because inside was also some vertex which we really don't need in this other shape. Select our new shape, insert that. Set it like this. Now insert it again. This was too much. A little bit less. And just pull it down. Oops. And we can again insert a little bit, pull down. Maybe a little bit up. Okay. Now I will do it just this just from one side because I don't need this from both sides, and I think I'm too down. Yeah, this is better. And after I will copy this shape to the other side. So when we apply here the shape as modifier, we'll have here a problem, as you can see, a big problem. Now the shape is like collapsing and stuff like that. Now this is really easy to fix because we just need to do some cuts. Now choose some words which you like. I will choose this, this, and that, and connect it to the main shape. It's probably very similar to that with what we was doing before when we was connecting the overall shape and telling Max like I want here a square. So I will just do something like this. I hope it's enough. Should be. Yeah, it is. And we have here the place for the bolt. Now here inside should go the bolt after. What we can here do one more time, one more step is we'll insert this one second time, control vertex and collapse this to one shape. Anyway, about this should go the bolt, so nobody will notice anything. Now to complete this, select these edges, connect them. We just need one connect. Delete the bottom polys. Mirror the shape, check copy in the axis which we need. Yeah, this one. Move it up. Okay, delete the super smooth from both. On some view, now left it's not from the front view, yeah. Just move it to slightly touch this shape here. No, that's fine. Select the original shape, attach this one back. Select verts. Select all of them and press weld. And if it was enough close, it should weld with the default value which is there. Okay, so we have both shapes here. You can place it like in a position where it should be, which I think should be somewhere here, maybe. Yeah. Now, yes, also the distance is fine, so it's fine. Fine. Now we can do here the bolt, I think, already. Now, how to say how the bolt is looking, but we can do this like a fake a little bit. Now, from the top view, I will draw here a sphere. Now, I will try here to go to the middle of the circle. I don't know, I will make it like this. Now, very easy, I will just use the scale tool and place it back. You see, maybe a little bit more. More. You can play more with this if you want. Well, I don't know. I don't think there is much to do here. So this is the one. Hold on Shift, copy, and place it in the same position, more or less. So you can play with this, but I think this is fine. Now also I will adjust the pivot here. So first of all, from the top view I will go here in the middle, and from the front view I can also adjust it here to the middle. Now because I don't know if this is really the middle of the middle, I can use the align tool. I can, but I don't know if it's really working. So now it should rotate around the balls here and there, and I think it's a little bit small, like yeah, so then I'll make this part a little bit bigger. Okay, just select that front part, the front bodies here, and drag them away. And yes, now it looks better, so oh, it's fine, so cool. Okay, now the black. Now the black will be done with similar techniques like we did the stuff before. We need a box. We'll use probably the left view. Yeah, the left view is fine. We'll turn off the autograde, so I will make here a box. Left view. It should stick to the shape, but I will make here a little bit space. Oh, I like it like that a little bit more. So this should be fine. Yeah, I think this proportion should be ideal for that. Let's try. Yes, cool. Okay, so we have here the box. I will rename it to USB black. I can straight convert it to poly. I can straight put it here. I will select the front and drag it away. And if I'm right, a little bit more. Can try our color. It's again. So we can adjust this one here, right, with the black. Something like this should be enough. Yep. I will also do here one more connect. And cool. Now maybe the USB key is too fat to take, but you know, you just use the scale to it's down and everything is fine. Okay. Let's go for this. Now here it's done from a metal cover, in which is probably some kind of carbon and metallic contacts. So it's really very simple. Very simple shape. But first of all, we need the metal. So let's go here. Select this one, and first of all we'll insert this. So we'll use insert. Maybe like this, it should be the thickness of the metal walls. And we'll extrude that straight back. Like here. Actually, we don't need a back police, but we'll see. I'll put this away and turn off Alt X, which is see-through option, and I will move this right here. And also I will delete that. I will or not. Actually, we don't need that, and I don't know. Okay, we can keep it there for some time, and we'll see. Now this is the first step. Now the second step is that this and this and this, if we loop that all around, should be a little bit chamfered. So we'll just chamfer for this, like this. Now, on one side is it's divided, so here should be a space. Okay, so select these edges here, connect that once. Now we'll chamfer this, not too much, so zoom on that, and again use the chamfer, but make it much smaller, like this. Yes, this should be fine, and right here I will delete the half of the shape. Also these fragments here. Okay, so I have half of the shape. I deleted the wrong part. I wanted to delete this part. Damn. Okay, so I have a shape like this, and with this I will work a little bit more. This we can delete. So here at the top should be some kind of holes. So to save time again, I will make here one more connection and delete also this. So I have 1/4 of my shape. I will select the top and bottom poly, which I hope I didn't delete. No, they're fine. I will inset them, and using the scale tool, I'll make here a square. Make here a square a little bit smaller, and I don't know, probably somewhere here. Yes. Yes or not? I don't know. Yeah, it should be fine now. Delete the polys. Oops. Now select this and this, bridge. This and bridge again. Now select just this and nothing, bridge this and ah, it's already bridged. Strange. And now from the top view, because some of the lines are not absolutely like I wish, I will just fix that. And now we have here the hole, but if we try to make Chubasmut on this, even that is just 1/4 of the shape, again a square, not square, but a round hole, and again this we need to fix. Oh, here is no shape, so now it's there. Okay. So we'll use the same techniques like before. So we'll just do here a connects. So if we select it like this, even that this would be a little bit strange connect. We'll make this connect. We'll try to move that, even that I think I selected something wrong here. Yeah, never mind. I will do it different way. Because here are not everything absolutely like I wished. I will use the slice plane. Now the slice plane is like cutting machine. So, oops, okay. I will just do here a slice. Here a slice. Now I will rotate this. Let's try by 90 degrees. And again, we'll do here a few slides to surround the shape. Okay. Okay, maybe the slice pen wasn't the best idea. I think back, because we have here a hole. Okay, sorry for that. I'll go these steps back and do this a little bit different way. Anyway, I don't have other options here. Okay. First of all, we'll chamfer this. Now I'll think in my head slowly. Okay, I think that. How to do this the best way. Just cut and cut the shape around. I'll move this a little bit. Select the top, loop it, and do a small chamfer. Yeah, this is better. Okay. So the same from the other side, even if nobody will see anything on the other side, but anyway. So, modeling in Max, it's not every time like you shoot a goal. Sometimes you do mistakes. There's no shame in that. Everyone does them. Okay, so again, chamfer here on this edge. Loop the same value. Turn this off. And let's copy this a few times. So again, we'll do a mirror of that. Okay, this should be fine. Yeah, this is the fine part. So check attach this to this. All of this, weld. Okay. Now again a mirror, but this axis, and check this quick. Keep it like it is. Okay, attach them together. Now I will bridge this bottom part. So Alt X. So, oops, no, my bad. No, no. What's the back? I want to bridge the whole. So like this. And from the bottom, the same. And here I don't want to bridge the whole. Bridge. And now it's the back poly. It's what I was talking about, if to delete or not. Probably I will delete that. Oops. Yeah, so we'll delete that and can bridge this. You don't have to, because it will be in the back. Here will be one other model or point of the model, so you can, like me, you don't have to. Oh, here we saw why. Okay, a few more. Ah, this was the last one. Sorry. Now will be a little bit the hot part, or fun part, or one of that. So when we try this one, we have a horrible mess here. Nothing is like it should be, even if we select here the 2. Now the 2 is better, but still. Now how to solve this? We need to connect again. We need to connect in few axes here to make something like this. So I hope it will be working here. I will select them the shape like this. It's a lot of edges, which is every time bad. But from the top view, I will use the scale tool and make something like this. I will straight this edge absolutely and move it to the front where it should be. Hope this will be working. Yeah, it should be somewhere like here. Yeah, it is working. Cool. So this is the first one, which we want to do. Okay, a few of the edges anyway we even don't need. We'll delete them later. Now from the back, I need the same. Oh, okay, a connect Western shape. Good. Maybe I should do the holes at the end, but did them now. Okay. Now this edge in the middle we don't need, so we can loop it and backspace the vertex 2. Oops. And now, yeah, now the connect it's much better, much easier to do. So we'll do these connections here. Mm-hmm. Now, I will delete these ones because they are making just troubles me. I don't like them. Make something like this. Also, I don't need these edges here in the middle. Oops. Maybe that's a good idea. Yeah. Uh, delete also these ones. Yeah, deleted too much, but why? Okay. Now before you delete the words, there shouldn't be any edges, or you will have problems like me a while ago. No, this is strange. Okay, few step backs, please. Sorry for that. I don't know why it's causing this one here, and I don't want to waste my time on that. Okay. Okay, much better. I see this. Don't worry. Okay. Oh, there are too many. You know, I don't know why Max is putting there so many edges which you really don't need. Maybe you shouldn't have some very smart algorithm for that. There's such like a million of edges which we don't need. Okay, a few more steps here. From where they are coming. Okay, the last, I guess. Okay. Now let's go somewhere like here. Select these edges. I think before we'll do some connections. Damn. Okay. We'll create a little bit these edges here. Anyway, we had to delete them, but we'll just make them a little bit different way here. Really, I should tell like I don't have any holes in my model, so I will not do them. We'll save a lot of time here. Okay, one more time. Okay. Do a connection. No, one. And move it to the edge. Here. The same we will do from this side. Like this. Connect. Okay. Okay, so a few more adjustments and we are ready here. Horrible. Okay, I will do the same cuts here, so I deleted the triangles which I had there. And now I'm just making here quads. To make to have in your shape just quads are a little bit like big advantage, because triangles can cause you problems in the shape, problems in your model, and really the quads are the best solution you can do if you model something. By animation, like everything is working like it should. So you should always keep your model in quads. Can hit Ctrl A, try weld. Small value like this. So if we had somewhere like near two words, they disappeared. Okay, one more fix here. Something which I have no idea what is causing, and it's this one here. Because it's only from one shape. Like, why it's doing just from one side? From the left. Now, a very easy fix is just to make their connection like here. This, but okay, let's try. Sometimes I really don't understand. Anyway, like this. Now the way of modeling, it's some kind of art. I will tell, because you need to understand how you can model and how you can't model, how you can process the words. What you have to do if you see a problem or stuff like that. Okay, finally we have here the plug. Horrible. I hate the shape already. You can put there a little bit more edges to the shape, just for the eye if you want. I will not. So we have here the plug. We need inside the metal parts and the carbon part or whatever it is. Now this we will do a different way, not different way, same way like before, but we'll just use a box. You can use a box, or you can use how it's called, chamfer box. No, we can use the chamfer box. So, okay, autograde here. Sorry. Somewhere here we'll do something like, first of all, something like this. And something like this. The chamfer box is already chamfering, like from the initial shape. So I'll draw it here. I will do it a little bit bigger. This. Oops, my bad. This direction and also this. Well, simply just pull it somewhere here. Oh, somewhere like there. Hold on Shift. I will make this much more smaller. So I'm doing this very simple. I'm not even trying to model this in such ways also, because well, for what? Okay, put it back and pull this away. And now to save time, we can do the metal part also from a separate box. Put it a little bit down. Ctrl A, I will chamfer the edges slightly. Probably I didn't chamfer anything, because I deselected everything. Okay. Like this, and there should be just 4. So this will be the 1, I will make it a little bit longer. Hold on, Shift. Drag it to the other side, somewhere here. Hold on, Shift again. This I will make a little bit shorter, like this, and put the back. Hold on, Shift, copy, and voila. Okay, the USB key is done. So there is just the part of materials and so. So we can apply everywhere through the smooth. Here on the sphere which we created, I will use a higher value of 2. Here it's enough to use the smooth modifier. Smooth, and check this one. And we can apply everywhere the same color. And okay, so here's the USB. So as you can see, very easy to do most of the parts here. Probably I should choose a little bit different approach, but anyway, it's done, so it's nothing to complain. So in the next part we'll do just the materials, the render, and we are done. We'll do the materials from our material library, and I will do some textures in Photoshop. But I will not show you how to do the textures because it will be just text, and I don't think it's interesting for anyone else. So far, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next part. So thanks, and bye bye.